My first Kickstarter almost fell in the first 48 hours. 3 successful campaigns later, I know exactly why. And it comes down to 5 things most creators completely overlook. In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you what those 5 things are, so your campaign can succeed where mine almost didn't. Number 1. Kickstarter doesn't bring you backers, you bring them. My first Kickstarter started really strong. Family and friends jumped in. I had $2,000 pledged in the first 2 days toward my 10,000 goal. I was so excited. But on day 3, I got only $27. Day 4, $9. I was devastated. Why isn't anyone finding my project? There are millions of people on Kickstarter. But here's the truth. You need to bring the backers. At least 60-70% of your goal. Once you hit that, Kickstarter algorithms kick in and new backers start discovering you. So I hustled. I called, emailed, texted every person I knew. 900 people in total. They got me most of the way there, and then strangers started backing me. My lesson: build your community before you launch. Tell them about your project. Get them excited. Make them feel like insiders. Those early backers aren't just funding your project, they're creating the momentum that brings everyone else. Number 2, your video matters because people fund you, not just your idea. When it comes to my creative project, a comic book, I really felt awkward. I didn't want to be on camera, so I hid. I used comic book pages and voiceover for my campaign video. That was a mistake. People support you, not just your idea. They want to see your face. They want to see how excited you are, how much this matters to you. Even if you're, not polished on camera. I get it. Being on camera is really uncomfortable. But here's what helped me. I had a good friend filming me and we just laughed it off. You can use a script if you need it. Just show up. Let your passion come through. Your backers aren't investing in the product. They're investing in you, bringing that product to life. So let them see you. Number 3, the launch isn't the finish line. It's the starting line. Keep your backers in the loop. I felt such a relief after launching my project. The first 2 days were amazing, and even after I got past those dreaded, no new backers days, I made a crucial mistake. I was quiet. People want to hear from you, especially the ones who already backed you. They joined your journey. They want updates. When I started sharing again, like, look at this new page. Here's how do we develop this character. Check out the article about the project. Something shifted. People got excited. They offered ideas and support. Their enthusiasm was so contagious. They brought their friends. So keep communicating throughout your campaign. Share wins, share challenges, share progress, and don't stop after you get funded. The delivery phase is when your backers really need updates the most. Keep them in the loop, from launch to delivery. They're not just customers, they're part of your team. I really believe that every creative idea deserves to exist, and I hate seeing creators give up before they start. That's why I created this planner. It's the exact 90 days blueprint I wish I had for my first campaign. You've got the idea, you've got the talent. This gives you the plan and the support. And I left a link in the description below along with my support packages. Okay, number 4. Plan your surprises, new rewards or stretch goals before you launch. Kickstarter works like a game, and games need levels to unlock. That's what rewards and stretch goals do. They keep your backers engaged and excited. Rewards are what backers get at each pledge level. Stretch goals are milestones you hit after your initial funding goal. Plan both of these before you launch. Here's an example for my comic book campaign. At my highest level, only 3 backers could get their image drawn into 2 panels of the comics. I'm telling you, that sold immediately. I also set a stretch goals beyond my $10,000 campaign goal. New character design, additional short story. People increased their pledges just to help us hit those goals. And honestly, that's one of the most exciting parts of my whole campaign. But one warning, make sure that your rewards don't cost you more than the pledge itself. I've seen so many creators lose money this way. The planner walks you through how to calculate this. And finally, number five. Number five, share the journey, not just the product. People love being part of something being built. Kickstarter isn't just a funding platform, it's where you build your first tribe of supporters. That tribe can grow far beyond your campaign and transform your future. Your backers didn't just fund the product, they invested in you and your vision. They want to be part of a story. So share everything. The wins, the setbacks, the why behind your story, where you're headed, sharing Kickstarter updates in replies to backers on social media, share everywhere. Make them feel like, like insiders, they're not customers. I still hear from backers from my first campaign that happened years ago. They became friends, collaborators, even champions of my work. That doesn't happen if you just ship a product and disappear. Build the community, share the journey. That's where the real magic happens. I hope these 5 keys help you launch a successful campaign, but let's quickly recap. Number 1, you bring the backers. Kickstarter doesn't find them for you. Number 2, show your face. People fund creators, not just ideas. Number 3, launch is day 1. Keep communicating throughout. Number 4, plan your stretch goals before you launch. Number 5, share the journey. Build community, not just customers. Your creative idea deserves to exist. Take the first step. I can't wait to see it. And check out the planner in the description. Drop a comment about your project and let's bring your idea to life. Thank you for watching. Now, go make something remarkable.